To set up Google Assistant in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to enter the Google services right here, then go to All Services and scroll down until we find Search Assistant and Voice. After entering it, go to Google Assistant and then scroll down until we find the digital assistants from Google and make sure that Google Assistant is active. When it is, you can go to rest of the settings and just adjust them like however you want. When that is done, for example, voice match is set up, you can then go back and in the main settings page find the apps. When you enter apps, click on the three dots right in the top right corner of the screen and choose default apps instead right there. Then when we have it, we can go to Digital Assistant app and make sure that Google is selected. That way you will have your Google Assistant working. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.